So here we are, room 1675. So it's the 16th floor of the Bordeaux Tower. It's a room with 2 queens. Very nice. Does have a refrigerator right here, which is nice. Not all the rooms in Las Vegas have it. We've stayed at the suite before, but not the Bordeaux room. Looks very nice. Has 2 mirrors. Has a safe. Has room to hang everything up. And the bathroom is the part I'm interested in because I have not seen this. So, oh. Well, never mind. It still has the tub and the shower. I thought that all of the rooms had a full shower now, but this one still has the tub shower combo. So I was kind of surprised because I was really thinking all of the standard rooms had a full shower. I thought they had been completely redone. And I know some of the petite rooms on the end with 2 windows do not. So this room has not been redone with a full shower. So it still has the shower and then the separate bathtub. Still very nice. Rooms are always very clean. So again, this is on the 16th floor. The refrigerator is outside of the cabinet. I'm used to it being in there, but that's okay. It's just nice to have a refrigerator. Okay, and the view, there's the link. So we'll be able to see more of this in the daylight. But the Paris never disappoints. And of course, if you're in Vegas, you're just sleeping. So again, this is a 2 queen room.